So, this part is Italy. My passport works only here in Switzerland. If I do like that, it's criminal because I should not be on that side.
But as long as you keep your passport in Switzerland, it's okay, huh?
Yes, I can stay. Here is perfectly
If
safe.
someone is tracking your passport, they still know that that you are in Switzerland.
Here,
There, limit. Ah, there's jail.
this is illegal.
What?
I did it.
Brand new camera HX99 Sony cybershot or blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah.
4K video.
Yes, and
So
I have a
we're
little
gonna try.
tripod as well, you see.
Tripod? Ready.
It has little legs. That's if you want to put it somewhere to take night photos.
You look so professional.
I'm very professional indeed. Then I have to connect this one to be able to control it from the tripod, from the stick. See, so now I can film, I can shoot.